And now Daniel Mancini likely to move the court.
Meanwhile, the MEA, in its first official reaction, has confirmed this news that Italy has in fact informed India at a very senior level that the Marines will be returning to India today. The Italian ambassador Daniel Mancini too will be moving the Supreme Court later in the day, requesting the court to lift the Indian government's restraint order on his travel. The Italian envoy will also give the travel itinerary of the Marines to the court.
Italy has informed at a very senior level to us that they will be sending back the Marines to India in accordance with the timeline that has been laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. We will have a more detailed statement during the course of the day.
Alright, for more, let's get in a word from our chief legal correspondent Ashok Bagria joining us on the phone line. Ashok, now that Italy has conveyed its official position to the Ministry of External Affairs, saying that the two Marines will now be returned, the envoy, we're being told, is likely to move the court, asking it to lift the restraining order, which the court shouldn't have a problem with.
Well, yes, in fact, our sources have been telling us that there are two things which are likely to happen today. Is that the Italian Marines, today is the last day for them to return, because earlier on February 22nd, the Supreme Court had given them concessions to travel to Italy and cast vote in the Italian elections. Today is the last date, and the Italian government has changed its position, saying that the Italian Marines will be sent back to India. Our sources are telling us that the Marines are likely to come to India by today evening. But more importantly, during the daytime, we are likely to see that the Italian ambassador will be moving the Supreme Court with an application saying that the restraint imposed by the Supreme Court on his travel should be lifted. As far as the court is concerned, the court will express certain apprehension because they have been taken for a ride once, and until and unless the Marines actually land in India, it's very unlikely that the Supreme Court is going to give the concession of lifting the restraint on the Italian ambassador's travel.
All right, Ashok Bagria, thanks very much for giving us a heads up on what we can expect in the day ahead.